Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. This video includes paid promotion. Well guys, as you've probably noticed from the charts, XRP was going up and now XRP is coming down along with many other altcoins. And there have been some indications as to why. Check this out. Binance outflows triple to $1.2 billion as Ethereum withdrawals hit a 3-year high. So money is coming out of cryptocurrencies, major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. Binance recorded a $1.23 billion weekly outflow. So that's the number for 1 week, up 207% from the previous week as Ethereum withdrawals surged to a 3-year high. So Binance, of course, if you guys don't know, they're the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. They recorded that sharp surge in weekly outflows. According to DeFi Llama data viewed by Cointelegraph on Sunday, Binance saw a $1.23 billion net outflow during that week. And that's an increase, guys, over 200%. The previous week was only about 400 million. So separately, crypto quant community analyst Dark Foss reported Friday that Binance's Ethereum withdrawal transactions hit their highest level in more than 3 years with over 166,000 withdrawal transactions in a single day. Well, guys, you can see the XRP price did peak at around $1.18. That was the peak for the price. This is the hourly chart, by the way. And currently we're seeing one XRP way back down here to about just under $1.13 per coin. And you guys can see, compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's actually not plummeted as much. XRP, of course, a more volatile cryptocurrency. We've known that for a very long time in comparison to some of these other cryptos. Bitcoin is down to about 62,500. So Bitcoin off its high of about 63,400, and it's still okay. It's actually still doing all right in terms of the 1 hour chart. Just going to interrupt this video for a second. Here's a word from one of today's video sponsors. Guys, let's be honest, the crypto market has been moving sideways for a while now. A lot of people are just sitting on their coins waiting for that next big move. But while you're waiting, your crypto is just sitting idle in your wallet doing absolutely nothing. That's why I'm going to mention it again, the long-standing partnership I have with FortisX. Instead of letting your assets sit idle, you can put supported cryptocurrencies into FortisX liquidity pools and earn daily rewards while still keeping the flexibility to withdraw them anytime you want. And I keep working with these guys because they keep delivering. The team is public. They've successfully completed Cyberscope team verification. So that's KYC. They've passed independent security audits, and the platform has been building consistently for years. They're focused on long-term growth, transparency, and security rather than hype. In a market like this, it makes far more sense to have your crypto working for you instead of letting it sit idle. I've worked with FortisX for a long time, and if you're planning to hold your crypto anyway, I genuinely think it's one of the smartest ways to put those assets to work. Remember, guys, investing is inherently risky. Always diversify your investments. This is not financial advice. I have a feeling we are getting very, very close to the bottom. Fear and greed is at 26. We've got the market cap that is up by a little bit today to $2.17 trillion. 24 hours, we are seeing a mix of green and red. Over the last 7 days, though, we are still firmly in the green. So overall trajectory of this market has still been fairly bullish, I gotta say. In the short term, I'm not going to say over the long period, because obviously over the long term, it's been very bearish. Short term, it has been quite bullish, but it only matters in the short term if you're day trading, really. Overall trend is still pointing downward. We are still not making those higher highs yet. We're making lower highs on the chart here. This is the Bitcoin chart again on the daily, and lower highs for Bitcoin. And hopefully we do make some lower lows so we can snatch up some Bitcoin at some good prices. Here's another one. Bitcoin ETFs log record 8th straight negative week despite large Thursday inflows. So more to just suggest that the market is taking its time to continue to move down. US spot Bitcoin ETFs shed about 527 million in the holiday shortened week. Their 8th straight negative week and the longest run on record. Thursday's 221.72 million inflow snapped a 10-session outflow streak, but BlackRock's IBIT extended its own losing run to 11 days. So this has to do, again, with the spot Bitcoin ETFs. So spot Ether ETFs lost a net of about 13.7 million. And hyperliquid ETFs took a $4.3 million hit, their smallest week since launching in May, down from a record of $111 million the week before. So hyperliquid obviously did see more outflows last week, but guys, the trend is pretty obvious. Market is going down. Don't worry though. I mean, it's temporary, guys. This is not the end of the world. If you're still hodling, I don't know, maybe you should be doing something with your crypto. You guys know I'm partnered with Fortis X. It's an option for staking your crypto and earning yields. In this down market, if you are hodling, if you're round tripping, if you weren't part of the Patreon and saw what I was doing, well, maybe you should join patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for a subscription of only $5 a month. All my calls are there. I'm going to be hosting a live Q&A this afternoon, if you guys are watching this in the morning today. So today is July the 5th at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come join if you guys have any questions. I'm going to be hosting it live today. So there's that, guys. I also happen to see this. Travala now lets you book 3 million plus hotels, flights, stays worldwide with XRP, quietly proving real-world payment use cases while everyone argues about the XRP price. So the XRP price is what it is in a speculative market. It gives us opportunity to buy XRP low and sell it high when we want to. But guys, in the meantime, there are companies like Travala actually utilizing XRP for payments and utilizing XRP not as that bridge, but using it natively for payments. So check this out. XRP was built to move value fast. This is courtesy of Travala directly. So they posted this on their Twitter X. So we built the real world use case, booked 2.2 million plus hotels worldwide with XRP on Travala, instant confirmation, no banks involved. This is what crypto adoption actually looks like. So this is Travala coming out with their own advertisement here. Travala offers access to over 3 million travel products, allowing you to book hotels worldwide using over 100 cryptocurrencies. So you can use a bunch of different cryptos. You can search and book your stay directly on the Travala website. So just giving you guys some more detail on that directly from Travala themselves. And the connection between Travala and Ripple, because this was a connection from years ago, is that Travala is a major global travel booking platform. They have offered integrated Ripple's native cryptocurrency XRP as a payment method for their users. So travelers can use XRP wallets to directly purchase from a massive catalog of over 3 million travel products. As I said, instant processing by integrating XRP. Travala allows travelers to bypass traditional banking systems, taking advantage of XRP's design for rapid, low-cost cross-border transfers, low-cost cross-value transfers to secure instant booking confirmations. And you can earn rewards as well. Users who book their travel accommodations using XRP on Travala can earn cashback rewards in AVA, Travala's native rewards token. So there you guys have it. Zave Crypto here also giving us a bit of a demonstration from the Travala website directly. So directly from Travala, book accommodation with XRP, and it gives that headline there, over 2.2 million hotels and accommodations. Just going to play this video for you guys because this is just a bit of a video clip here that he recorded of his screen. So giving you guys more information just on what XRP is, the decentralized blockchain. Of course, XRP can be sent without needing a central intermediary, and their mission down there. And then it brings up use cases here. So NFTs on the XRP ledger, micropayments. Developers can utilize the XRP ledger here. If I back up a little bit, you guys can see developers are utilizing the XRPL to build innovative products for gaming content, web monetization. We've got the DeFi piece there, travel, so you guys can sign up, log in, and I should just play through that. You can log in and book your travel right away. All the details are there. And guys, I'm going to link everything in the description of the video for you if you are interested. And of course, I mean, yesterday was July the 4th. I hope you guys had a great holiday weekend. I guess it wasn't really, I guess it was the weekend. It was Saturday, so people were off anyway. But guys, guess what? It happened again. XRP 1776 on the 4th of July. You can't make this stuff up. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Now, this was not the first time this has happened, guys. I don't know if you remember, but I did this video way back on July the 5th, 2020. Okay, so 6 years ago today, to the day. And I was reporting on the day previous's events, and this is what I noticed back then. Watch this. Finally, guys, this originally sent to me by Dawdler for XRP. Yes, he was the winner of the Ledger Nano X back in February. Sends me some great stuff. This originally from Unbearable Guy 123 on Twitter at XRP Brainstorm. So yesterday was July 4th in the United States, 1776, a very, very important year in American history. 17 equals Q, 1776, U.S. year of independence, okay? Then we've got silver, gold, and crypto. And, so originally he tweeted this out, but he was retweeting this from FinTech Chris on Twitter. XRP was trading at 0.1776 cents yesterday. Gold trading at $1,776 per ounce, and silver trading at $17.76 per ounce. I mean, it's hard to believe in coincidences when it gets this precise. If I bring up gold here just to double check this, yeah, gold is even trading at $1,774.31 per ounce right now. And silver, what's silver trading at right now? Remember, guys, I'm recording this on July 5th, so of course the numbers will be a little different. $18.00, so about $18. Yesterday, as you guys can see, it was trading in this range here. Indeed, hitting $17.76 per ounce. And XRP, yeah, 0.176 right now. Yesterday, this candlestick here, this green candlestick, did hit the 0.1776 mark. So, is something up? I know some of you guys will love this part of the video, and some of you guys will just hate this part of the video. But, you know, I wanted to bring it to your attention anyway, and I think that sentiment remains the same today. Some of you guys are probably going to hate this video. Some of you guys are going to love it. So, guys, it wasn't just XRP that went to 1776 or $1.1776. Chad Steingraber also commenting that Ethereum went to $1,776 yesterday. And no, guys, I am not making this up. This is the XRP chart again on the hourly, and we're going to zoom right in there. And I'm just going to remove all that and throw a line right there. You guys can see it did, in fact, hit right there on July the 4th, 2026. And as for Ethereum, Ethereum also hit 1776. Yeah, where is it there? Let me throw a line on there. 1770. Let's get it really close there. 1776. So that line going through Ethereum, 1776 on July the 4th, 2026. Coincidence? Certainly things that make you go, Not to mention, guys, let's do it. Gematria calculator, 1776. When you calculate this in the Gematria calculator, and I was blown away when I saw this. Check this out. Go down here. And guys, what comes up? Ripple around the world. I think it's probably pretty fair to say that we are going to see Ripple permeate the entire globe using XRPL technology. That's just my opinion. If you guys have some opinions, put it down in the comment section. I'm curious. If you guys want to see what I'm doing for this particular crypto cycle, you can always follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Again, I'm going to be holding that live Q&A event today, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you guys are watching the video on the day that I'm releasing this. But you got to sign up to the Patreon. You can also check out the Working Money Channel merch store if you guys are interested in supporting the channel by buying physical merchandise. I'm offering 15% off at the merch store until the end of the summer. Link is in the description of the video. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.